Hey guys, we are now at Shell KLIA. So today there's a meet and greet session with Andrea Dovizioso and Danilo Petrucci at their Shell Malaysia station. So we're going to meet them. Alright, come on, let's go and come and see what's it all about. Right. There you see Ducati technical partner, right? All the Ducati guys are here. Whoa, that is awesome. Alright, so we're going to cut the video here and we're going to move to the highlight of the event. Alright.
Our two riders, Dovizioso and Petrux, and we'd like to have the Shell Malaysia as well. For quick toilet break. And last, yes. So members of the press, do come forward. This is your moment. Meanwhile, Mr. Dovizioso is also signing on this Ducati motorcycle. Siapa yang mempunyai motorcycle ini memang beruntung, alhamdulillah. Alright. Mr. Dovizioso, please do have a seat. And we shall begin the meet and greet session. We shall begin with media and influencers first, yeah? And so, who would like to begin? Silakan. Then this is the time to get your paraphernalia ready. Siapa nak helmet ke? Oh, nak helmet eh? Nak saya atas helmet? Helmet tak payah cuci lah.
Alright. I'm taking video. Oh. Sorry ah.
Okey, yang keluarkan helmet, kilapkan cantik-cantik sikit, kasih kilap sikit. Tidurkan helmet. Tempat yang calah-calah tu kita hide sikit. Sewa RM10. Wah, betul juga. Ni saya boleh buat duit ni. Siapa nak sewa pen special istimewa? RM10. Thank you very much to Team Ducati. Wah lama for coming down, and thank you to fans. Team Ducati fans are always awesome. Always sporting indeed as well. And so let's take this opportunity to meet our riders one-on-one. Unfortunately, they cannot stay long, so after this meet and greet session, they're gonna straight away move on to the next item on the agenda. They have to prepare themselves for the race this weekend. So once again, thank you very much to Malaysians.
Black. Sorry. Thank you.
Can you move your bike?